Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to give everyone a brief introduction about bodhicitta. In our cultivation path, there are three core qualities we need to complete: renunciation, bodhicitta, paramita, emptiness, wisdom. Since we already know these three qualities are so important in order to help all the beings walking on this path of self-cultivation. The most important seed of Buddhahood actually is bodhicitta. With all the practice, no matter how hard we do, or the past, all the Buddhas, including Buddha Sakyamuni, the hardship cultivation he practiced. Without the true bodhicitta, Buddha cannot attain as a Buddha Sakyamuni. No Buddha can attain their Buddhahood without bodhicitta. So how can we raising the bodhicitta, particularly for the early stage of a practitioner? Actually, there's two different lineage sharing this raising bodhicitta technique. The first lineage, they're teaching us raising the bodhicitta by knowing the gratitude, the mother relationship with us. To apply the relationship, how the mother treats us. And we should also practice this kind of compassion to not only to our child, to all the six realms of sentient beings around us. So the first lineage teaches by knowing the mother's true quality of being loving, compassionate. Once we acknowledge the love the mother giving to us, then we need to apply to all other beings around us, not only human beings, to animal, to rest of the five realms of sentient being. So that is the very important concept when we practice raising the bodhicitta, knowing the gratitude of motherhood and applying this concept to all six realms of sentient beings. So that is one lineage start from this practice. In second lineage of this practice of bodhicitta is more applying others' suffering to ourselves. When other beings suffering, we feel the same way. So that is, we say, exchanging ourselves with others. It's more like, in simple way to explain that, is putting ourselves into other people's shoes. This is a very rough way to explain how to raising the bodhicitta. The most easy way to explain how to actually raising the bodhicitta is practice the great compassion, practice selfless. With the basic of practice selfless, it's easier we can feel other beings suffering, and we are willing to give in the joy to other beings. So that is the simple way we can learn how to raise in the bodhicitta. And also, we can start practice our giving joy to all beings without condition, releasing all the suffering of the being without exception. We share our happiness and giving the happiness to all the beings without exception, without discrimination. And we treat all the beings without any discrimination, without boundary, with unconditional true love. So with these four basic mindset, we are able to practice giving by joy, releasing their suffering, unconditionally to treat them without any discrimination, always willing to sharing and giving with true generosity without discrimination. So that is the basic concept of how we can actually practice this great compassion. At the end, we can reach to understand what's the related truth of bodhicitta, and at final, we can understand what is ultimate truth of bodhicitta. I hope everyone can make a good wish. Let's all become awakened ones with all six realms of sentient being. As long as we always continuous, never give up our great compassion, one day we will reach to that destination. I wish you enjoy my sharing today. Hope next time you will join me again. Thank you.